everyone! Today, we are diving into a really important concept in Java, virtual methods. Understanding virtual methods is crucial for writing flexible and powerful object-oriented code. It's all about how Java decides which specific piece of code to run when you call a method, especially when dealing with inheritance. First, let's understand what a method is. In Java, a method is a block of code that performs a specific task. Think of it as an action an object can take. Now, what does virtual mean in this context? In Java, almost all non-static, non-final, and non-private methods are virtual by default. This is a key difference from some other programming languages. Being virtual means that Java doesn't decide which exact method implementation to call until the program is actually running. This decision happens at runtime, not when your code is compiled. This behavior is called dynamic method dispatch. So, how does this work with polymorphism? Let's imagine we have a shape class with a method called draw. Then, we create two other classes, circle and rectangle, which extend shape. Both circle and rectangle can override the draw method to provide their own specific drawing instructions. For example, circle sDraw might draw a circle, and rectangle sDraw would draw a rectangle. Now, if you have a variable of type shape, but it actually holds a circle object, and you call draw on that variable, Java's virtual method mechanism kicks in. Even though the variable type is shape, Java intelligently looks at the actual object's type, which is circle, and calls the draw method from the circle class. This is the power of virtual methods enabling polymorphism. This dynamic decision-making is incredibly useful. It allows you to write code that interacts with a general type, like shape, but still gets the specific behavior of the actual object, like circle or rectangle. This makes your code more flexible and easier to extend. You can add new shape types later without changing the existing code that uses the shape variable. Just remember, if you want to prevent a method from being overridden and thus from being virtual, you can use the final keyword. In summary, virtual methods in Java are fundamental to polymorphism and dynamic method dispatch. They allow Java to determine the correct method to execute at runtime, based on the actual object's type, not just the reference type. This makes your Java programs highly adaptable and extensible. Thank you so much for watching and learning about virtual methods in Java. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you have, and share this video with others who might benefit. Your support truly helps us create more content like this. See you next time.